Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G52. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable App Drawer. As you can see right now, App Drawer is enabled. In order to disable it, tap and hold on free space on the screen and go to Home Settings. Enter Home Screen Style and select Open to disable App Drawer. Now simply tap Switch and App Drawer is disabled. Now every app should pop up on the home screen. To enable App Drawer again, tap and hold on free space on the screen, go to Home Settings, enter Home Screen Style and select App Tray. Now App Drawer is enabled again. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.